we're at the restaurant. Need to put this on stop. Yeah. Okay, flip the switches. And last one. Okay. Attention, men. We have reached the rainforest. Okay? So I want you all ready. Get out your seats and put your uniform on. And get your equipment ready. As well as your parachutes. Okay. I'll leave them for a bit. Hover mode. Okay. 2. That one. And this. Okay. Okay, I'll get my stuff. Okay, man. As you know, there's been a load of murders in the rainforest, including a family. Then an explorer went to find out what happened. He was murdered. His brother and his family, they went and they got a mining job, and then the manager and the co-manager and his entire family and himself all got murdered as well. So we're gonna go find the culprit. Okay? From our evidence, right now we believe it's the pilot from season 1. The pilot, his name is Paul. Okay? But we're not actually sure where he is. So we're gonna search all over the rainforest to find him. Okay? You're the most bestest soldiers we hired, okay? Are you up to this job? Yes, 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 sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Good. Okay. You all have your parachutes? Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Okay, need to open the doors. Whoa. Sorry. Okay, now let's put our parachute on. Okay, I'll go first and try and find the meeting, and then I'll wait for you guys. I'll tell you on my walkie-talkie, okay? Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, so we're heading to where all the ruins are, because that's where we've built our office, which is actually going to be our bunker, but we disguised it as an office. So I'll go first. Yeah. Okay, I think this is the place. Yep, this is the place. Oh, hey there. Hi, sir. So, is this the meeting place? Yep, but no one else came. Yep, I know. I'll tell them now. Okay, get my walkie-talkie. Okay, soldiers, you can come now. Copy that. Over and out. Yeah, okay. Now, I'll just wait for them to come. Half an hour later. Okay, they're all here. They leave the door open. Cool. So they're all upstairs. Yep, I know that. Okay, everyone. First, I need to put this back on. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Are we missing a few people? Maybe. No, they're probably up. Yeah, they're probably up there. Okay, everyone. Okay. Hello, everybody, and welcome to your job. So, as you know, we're trying to find the culprit, Paul, the pilot, and find out what is done. So I'm gonna go and find out I'm gonna go to the mine where he was, and I'm gonna go find out. Okay? You guys stay here and look after the base. Okay, actually, you four, you all head over to the ruins. You four go over to the other ruins where the mansion was, and you four at the back, you guys stay here. Okay, and I'll go to the mine. Thank you, sir. Okay, and I don't have a boat. I have a boat. Okay, so let's go. I'm so good at boating because I know. I hate getting. Okay, I'm gonna go find the mine and I'm gonna try and find some information. Okay. Yeah, it's so dusty down here. Okay, go this way. Whoa! Yeah, I slipped. Looks like there's been a cave in here or something. Yeah. Okay. Well. Better take this stuff with me. Okay. So this somehow sends stuff to the base. Sended. Oh, okay. Sended. Sended. Cool. Anything under this table? No. There's a hole in the roof. Okay. I think all the evidence was taken, but we can definitely use this DNA and find out who the real culprit was. Okay. Gonna go back to the laboratory, and I'm going to test, and then actually they would have already done that. And I'm gonna test, and we're gonna test the DNA. Okay. So we get back to the base. Hello sir, have you run the DNA test I told you to? Yes sir. The evidence is all on Paul. Good. So Paul it is. The one we need to find. But the question is, where is he?